So 3 o'clock in the morning, when my smoke alarms went off, I woke up and looked out the window to see the house fully engulfed, and I was just flabbergasted, I guess. I grabbed the dog in our little safe and ran to the neighbors as I was calling 911, and my head it did not stop. I couldn't even imagine what was going on. Ashley was actually 3 hours away down in Holmes County with her mom and the kids, and I could not get a hold of her, so I had to call her dad. He got a hold of her, and from then it was just a blur, honestly.
Yeah, when I walked up, I just remember walking to the back and seeing basically this room was completely gone, and then walking into our brand new kitchen that was completely gone. Really upsetting.
I thought it could, but I never realized how damaging the smoke damage was. I mean, after Tom explained like how it brittles the wire and just all the stuff it can do, I never realized that. So being a firefighter, I never see that side of it. But I'm glad we were able to, for sure. Brock was great also. I mean, Eloise always looked forward to coming and seeing the workers, as she called them, and I'd say that was the last couple of months. Like, we'd always bring cookies to the team, and like she had to hand them to Brock. So like, just the interactions of, like you said, Brock and the whole team with the girls was fantastic.
They would include her. There was, help me, I forget his name. Boo. Yes. He just let Eloise get down there and help him. They treated our girls like just part of their team, and they treated us like part of the team. It was kind of sad. I think we all were kind of sad when everyone, happy to be back and getting into the house, but sad that we weren't going to get to see the guys that we grew a really close bond with.
Sure.
Yeah, Randy made the comment at the beginning, like, you're going to be part of this, you know, and in the end, that was true. Seeing our girls interact with everyone was really cool. Just incredible, honestly. I mean, I just couldn't imagine like a group of strangers coming together like that and just helping us get through the hardest time of our life so far.
I don't even know how to say it enough. I think we told Randy and we told Brock. They made this experience positive. So I guess when something hard happens, there's always lessons to be learned. But the team cared. They cared about the girls. They cared about us. And they just made something that wasn't positive.